Okay, so first of all, how to start Electronic 1300. So, first thing, check the dash pot on the carburetor. Click in here. As you can see, the oil on that is really, really low. We want to try and get it to that little ridge you can see there. Now, me using 3-in-1 oil. You can see where I'm going to get to. You can see it leaving now. It's about there. Should do, yeah. Back on gently push it down. Cool. Let's put it on. Done. Check brake reservoir. About 5mm, 6mm from that ridge, perfectly fine. Same with the clutch. Bit dirty, but again, it's about 5mm from the top. You're right. Check water. After a few swear words, I might shouldn't do it. It's a little bit low. I like it to be at the top of that, about the top of that hole there, ideally, just to make sure it's full. But just for me for today, just make sure it ticks over okay. I'm not too fussed about that. Sorted. Yeah, that's about it now. Connect the battery. We've got 12.5 on the battery. So for me, what I tend to do now is choke in, turn the key once, ignition on, oil, handbrake, and give the car a couple of turns over gently without starting, hopefully. 1. 2. That to me helps get a bit of the oil around the top end. Now we can try and start him. Pull the clutch up, still a neutral, pull the choke out a little bit, and still doesn't want to start, as always. It's a bit of a warm day, it's trying to find the right one, it's always fun. Still wants to play for silly buggers. Can do something that I've forgotten to do, which is prime the fuel tank. Prime the fuel if you've not done that a few times. Like an idiot, like I haven't done, as you've been sitting for a couple of weeks. Fuel pump, primer lever. And actually prime the fuel to the carb, which I hadn't done, so that's my own fault. But good for you guys to see. Try again. Now we've primed it, let's try again, see if it wants to play ball.